Everybody, welcome back. So I'm going to share you the May 2022 hip kits and the add-on kits for this month. And of course, they're beautiful as always. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the main kit, which has pretty much got everything in it, you know, for your basics if you're just looking for that. So we have these adorable die cuts, which again is a hip kit exclusive, and they're just adorable. And also these fabric die cuts, these are so cool. I've personally never like colored with stamping or paints to do this, so this is neat. I'm looking forward to trying that. And some awesome little wood veneer shapes frames, and these are really cool because you're usually colored. Love the lettering as always has the most beautiful lettering. And let me show you the papers. So this is again a hip kit exclusive for these papers. So we've got these adorable, look at these cards, you guys. How pretty. I love this. And then we've got some lettering and frames. And wait till you see the florals. Oh my goodness, how pretty. In the back, and then some, like, it's like a grayscale, I would say, more than black and white. And look at this orange. Oh, so pretty. It's hard to find orange florals. And then you've got polka dots. I don't know which side I will use because I love dots and I love that. And these adorable butterflies. And more gorgeous florals. And these beautiful little dots. I'm gonna have a hard time using this one this month because I'm not gonna know. And look at these gorgeous, oh my goodness, so pretty. And look at how nice, like especially that purple with these, the lettering, the green is gonna be so pretty. So that is the main kit. Okay, and let me move along. So this is definitely a kit for someone who doesn't know what to get, but you need all the little things, and the rest are going to be pretty much like add-on type things. So this is going to be the May 2022 Color Extravaganza Kit. Now this is really cool because the stamps are usually smaller. So we've got this pretty, it's a girl, tiki torch. Is that not the perfect name for that? And serenade, which is also beautiful, but as you know from the previous colors we just saw, how perfect is that going to be? And then we've got these pretty stamps for the background and some lettering, and it says, "You are terrific, just imagine in the roses." I really need to try this. A lot of people use these on scrapbooking layouts, but I'd like to implement them on my albums somehow. Okay, you guys are gonna go crazy for these. So I'm gonna start with the add-on pocket life kit. There are a lot of fun goodies in here. Okay, starting with adorable puffy stickers. I'm a sucker for those. And these awesome little tags and things. Again, this is a hip kit exclusive, so you'll see that, and I'm going to link everything in the description. It's going to be on the hipkit club.net site, so I'll put that all there. And hold on, I didn't open this yet. How could I not have gone through this? I'll give you a little show of these. The little journaling cards and things. So I get to see these with you guys because I didn't get to peek at this, but these are so pretty. You can see it matches. I just love them. Look at that. They really do an amazing job with designing these. Look at this. If I could make an album just out of this, I think that would be cool. I need to figure out a way to do that. And then all these little extras too. Just so beautiful. The color palette is always so on point. And then we've got the stickers. And look, we've got these pretty little gold detailed ones. Oh, I like how they package the stickers though, because you can go page by page to see it. They usually don't do that. And I just love that because especially when you're storing it, you know, you can go back instead of like having to flip through it. So that's really unique that they did the sticker pack that way, but I love it. Okay, and here's some really awesome wood lettering stickers. And this is cool. So this month is going to be a little bit different. So again, this is the Pocket Life Kit. So this is actually coming with interactive pocket and waterfall and tags. So it's kind of doing everything for you, and then we pretty much will decorate it. And I want to show you how it kind of works. So again, you have like these cute little things, and we're going to put them together and make some waterfall pages. It's pretty much already scored for you. And I don't know, anything done for me already always helps me out ahead of time. So I love that. So this kit was awesome. Okay, now I'm going to go into another add-on, which is the May Embellishment Kit. And this is a fun one too. So this actually comes with a washi tape. And look at these cute little, I don't know what are these? These are, gosh, I don't know what these are called. It's almost like little like resin type things, and they're hard. And then we've got some more beautiful die cuts, so pretty. Flowers, my favorite. Can't wait to use this. We've got some awesome stamps to play with. And we've got some awesome little stickers by Heidi. And these are really cool. I like that. They're like little glossary definition type things. And some pretty thickers. So lots of butterflies. Diving into summer right now, so loving that. And then of course, this is, remember that they have a add-on paper kit, which is just the sheets that I showed in the main kit. So that's that. And last but not least is the cardstock for May. So let me show you a flip through of the cardstock this month. It's got this really pretty blue. Look at this blue. And we've got some like powder blue, like baby blue, yellow, and this is almost like I guess like a coral, and pink, or is it pink? No, it's a coral, and then pink. So really gorgeous. And it's gonna fit perfect with everything, especially that lettering, you guys, that like teal, aqua, mint's the color lettering. So that is my fun kits for this month. So again, if you are a subscriber, you can get the kit for $29.95 rather than $34.95 because subscribers receive 15% off, and they also will receive the add-on kits 15% off with no additional shipping. So I'm going to link everything on my description. Thank you so much, you guys, and I cannot wait to create some really fun projects.